Just 10 miles north of Santa Cruz, California, lies the small town of Ben Lomond, which is home to one of the most deadly mudslides in California's history, the Love Creek mudslide. The Love Creek mudslide happened on the night of January 5th, 1982, where over 459,000 cubic meters of mud, soil, and rock came sliding down the hills above Love Creek, which is a neighborhood nestled within Ben Lomond. This ended up killing 10 people and taking out 20 households in the process. This is an image of one of the houses that was buried in this mass movement, which is referred to as a mudslide in news and media sources, but will be closer to being termed a mud flow in geomorphology terms due to the wet and fast movement of the sediment that very quickly buried these houses and gave little to no time for the people to escape. So what factor triggered this mud flow? Well, from January 3rd to January 5th, Northern California experienced catastrophic rainfall, which led to flooding and oversaturation of the soil, which made the soil less stable and resulted in many mass movements across Santa Cruz and across the Bay Area in general. This led to the death of over 20 people in Northern California just in the span of those few days. So altogether, the precipitation from these detrimental storms in Northern California was the main trigger for the mud flow that occurred in Love Creek. There are no housing developments where the mud flowed through anymore. It has been turned into a memorial instead to honor the lives that were lost in this incident.